Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing brand new dream house with a splash pool at Villa Domani Resort 0192. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, free parking, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. Located in Davenport, brand new dream house with a splash pool at Villa Domani Resort 0192 provides accommodations with a private pool. The air-conditioned accommodation is 26 miles from Lakeland, and guests benefit from private parking available on site and free Wi-Fi. The vacation home comes with 4 bedrooms, a flat-screen TV with cable channels and a fully equipped kitchen that provides guests with a dishwasher, a microwave, a washing machine, a fridge and an oven. Towels and bed linen are featured. Orlando is 23 miles from the vacation home, while Kissimmee is 11 miles away. The nearest airport is Orlando International Airport, 21 miles from brand new dream house with a splash pool at Villa Domani Resort 0192. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.